Should I sit or should I stand? Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you a little bit of how I blonde my tone and blonde and style my client. So as you guys will see in this client I have, she ended up reaching out to me on Instagram. Her concerns were she always is seeing yellow. She never feels like she's blonde enough whenever she gets her hair done. So I have never done her hair before, so she reached out to me on Instagram. So I was like, yep, come to me, we will fix you up, I will take you under my wings and I will make you fly. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. I'm not sharing with you guys everything I do yet because I'm going to be doing a lot more videos in depth of like my foiling techniques and so yeah, right now you guys will see the before. And you can see she's just really brassy. She's super just like all over the place. It's really uneven, and of course it's grown out a little bit. She's really yellow and dark in a lot of places, so I just decided what the best thing for me to do was to baby light her whole head, and then we would tone it, and we did take about a couple inches off of her hair. I rinsed all the foils out. I the lightener out. Then I pre-toned her with the purple shampoo just to get that yellow out. I couldn't foil her whole head, obviously, like that would make it look like not really that dimensional, so I really wanted to tone down the leftover yellow and brassiness that she had, so I did pre-tone her with the Kevin Murphy and a mix of the Pravana purple toning shampoo. I always, with every single service, so that's what's different when you come to me too, is with every single service I do, after I color you, I shampoo you twice, and then I will put on a leave-in conditioner on your head while I go and mix the toner for your hair. So and that just is really helpful because it's going to basically put the bonds back into your hair. It's going to help to keep your hair healthy. And like, I mean, we just foiled it, we just processing it, we were just like lightening it, so I wanted to make sure it is as healthy as you came to me. So that is why I always recommend a haircut with any lightening service, even if it's a tiny baby trim. That's why it's just put into my service. Like when you guys come, you guys don't even have to ask for a conditioning treatment. That is part of my pricing, and it's part of my it's just part of my service, and it's what makes that is something like as a hairstylist that you put into your own service to see like what makes you stand out. And my clients always just like are so happy, and they rave about how healthy their hair is, how shiny that is. And I think honestly part of it is that conditioning treatment I leave on their head while I go and tone. It's perfect because they feel like they're not just sitting there laying there for like no reason. They're like getting a service done. I mean, I would love that. I treat the service as if like how I want it to be treated, I guess, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my mask down so you guys can see what I decided to tone her with. So we were able to lift her pretty light, like pretty light, as you guys could see. mix between like a 9 and a 10. The pieces that I lifted her to were a level 10, and then she had leftover level 9 that was pretty yellow and warmth, and that was something that she really expressed to me, that she was never been able to feel like she was able to get blonde and like really white and like creamy, and she was always super yellow. So I wanted to make sure that I really baby lighted her whole head, got her as light as I could, and then I'm going to tone her with something that's like my creamy blonde toner. I use a million things in my toners, so you could really use this, guys, with Redken shades, anything. I just am using DLA because that's what we carry at the salon. So I did 10 grams of each of the colors I'm going to show you. So I did 10 grams of 10 VG. I did 10 grams of 10 BV, as in boy. 10 grams of clear. 10 grams of 9 VB. And then 10 grams of 9 BG. And then I mix that with the 9 volume developer. And then I let that sit in her hair for like 15 to 20 minutes. And then what I did too is I sectioned her in the back. I had to let her lift her head during the bowl, and then I sectioned her off in the back, and I just start in the back so that if that process is faster, it's really easy for me just to rinse it really fast, and I can rinse her ends if I needed to. But in this case, I literally just did it all. I don't really root smudge or root shadow anybody, because most people I get are people that want to be super blonde and that feel like they never are able to get as blonde as they want. So that's why I did that. I just tone everything at once. I don't really leave out the money piece. Since I'm toning a 10, I usually just tone what I want it all to be. As you guys can see, it's like super beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. We were obsessed with it. It literally turned out so good, so creamy, buttery, and blonde. She was so happy, and yeah. And then for those clients and people that are really like low maintenance, I just recommended that she came in 8 to 12 weeks, and then in between she could come in and do like a toner and a style, and then she is using a purple shampoo, and then she's only using that a couple days a week, one or twice a week, and then she's following it up with a moisturizing shampoo, and that's gonna help keep her hair healthy. We also did cut about 2.5 to 3 inches off her head hair. So that she literally left so happy, and that took me about 4.5 hours. I wasn't able to get a video of me curling my client's hair. Instead, I actually ended up curling our receptionist's hair, so you guys could see the how I curl the hair, but how I curl is the same for everyone. So I thought I'd just fill that in so that you guys won't be confused when you see a different head. That color was not done by me. It was actually done by my friend, hairstylist Natalie, who also works here. See the world when it's spinning, compensating for the moments that I spilled. Wish I could fly like an airplane. Stop forsaking everything that I've done. Won't be breaking easily now. I could make it even though the lights are out. So I wait for my cue. So tell me straight up. I don't want it no other way. Tell me straight up. I don't want it no other way. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna put my mask back on. I'm gonna go back out there, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you guys are a hairstylist, comment down below where you work and your Instagram handles, and I will follow you back. Make sure to give me a follow on my Instagram page at thecrin.co. That is, you guys can find more tips and tricks, and you guys will see when I post my videos. Make sure you guys subscribe, join the family. A lot of vlog and lifestyle and fashion and beauty videos, but I also am here for hairstylists too, and I'm going to share a lot of my tips and tricks and how I did different like foiling and education. Yeah, make sure you guys give me a follow. I'm really excited. You guys are going to want to be subscribed to my channel because I do have a big project I've been working on, a secret project, and like no one knows about, so you guys should make sure to subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss out on that video. I will see you guys later. I'm gonna put my mask back on. I don't even know if you guys can really hear me that well, but it is what it is. This is the life. Hold on tight. This is the dream. It's all I need. Anyways, okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.